Hello everyone, myself Advocate Gautam Arshwal, working at a legal advisor at Dialyzy. Welcome to Dialyzy. Today in this video, I am going to discuss with you, differently, different parts of or the types of contract which are applicable in India under Indian Contract Act. So let's start with the very first contract, which is verbal contract. What are verbal contracts? Let's find out in this video. Verbal contracts or oral contracts are those which are formed by oral communication, right? The very first thing is there is oral communication. There is nothing called written communication. And from time immemorial, contracts have been made orally itself. But because verbal contracts are difficult to prove in courts, these contracts are thus generally not made anymore, right? Having said that, verbal contracts are valid contracts and enforceable by law, provided that they fulfill the conditions of valid contracts as given in Section 10 of the Indian Contract Act of 1872. There is very famous case in landmark judgment which I would like to share, discuss with you. The name of the case is Nanak Builders and Investors Private Limited versus Vinod Kumar NL of 1991. In this case, the Delhi High Court observed that an oral agreement might be a legitimate and enforceable contract. As a result, a contract does not have to be in writing in the literal sense, literal sense, unless it is required by law. Law of the parties deliberately intend to reduce the terms of the agreement of to writing, right? The validity of verbal offers and acceptance comes indirectly from Section 2 of the Indian Contract Act. According to Section 2, Clause 1, Clause A of Clause A, a person is said to make an offer when they signify to another their willingness to do or not to do something. Further, in Section 2, Clause B, which basically states that the acceptance is given by signifying assent to the offerer. The term signify plays an important role in showing that offers and an acceptance can be given without actually writing it down. So that's all about verbal contracts. What are verbal contracts? I have discussed with you in this video. If you have any query related to that, let me know in the comment section. And if you are new on this channel, don't forget to subscribe the channel Dialyzy, because we always come with some legal content and new business ideas on the same channel. Stay tuned till then. Bye bye. Take care.